Did you know that installing solar power on the rooftop of your data center does not lower the PUE? PUE illustrates the energy allocation of a data center regardless where the energy is coming from. Any energy sources feeding the data center facility will be taken into account when calculating the PUE. The use of solar power on the rooftop of the data center will have therefore no effect on the PUE, but it will reduce the carbon footprint of the data center. This is why ISO IEC 30134 has defined a metric called REF, Renewable Energy Factor. The REF metric describes the percentage of a renewable energy over total data center energy. It provides an assessment of the mitigation of carbon emission that originated from energy consumption in a data center. I'm AI Edward. Follow us for more tips. EPI, protecting your interest.